Hello everyone, this is Dr. P. Shrivastava, Ayurveda expert and naturopath plus acupuncturist, and today I am going to share some wonderful acupressure point for eye problems. Suppose you have any kind of eye disease, if you are applying the acupressure therapy, what I'm going to tell you today, it will be really effective and help you to get rid of these eye problems. Suppose if you have a glaucoma, cataract, any kind of eye vision problem and eyesight issues, if your number is increased very rapidly, and if you have a dry eye syndrome or red eye, twitching eyes, itchy on eyes, eye allergy, anything, because these point what I'm going to tell you, these are actually a meridians and the correspondence point of your eye in our body, hands and legs. So let's start the video. So the first acupressure point, it will be in our hand, and that will be a bilateral, it will be on both of our hand. So the first acupressure point is in between of this index finger and in this middle finger right here. I'll mark it by this pen, just right here. So this is our first acupressure point, and it, as I told you, it's a bilateral point available in both of our hands. So I'll mark it right here also. We are using in our clinic needles also on this point, but at home you can do a pressure therapy, and this will help you a lot to get rid of your eye problem. So how we need to give a pressure, now we already locate the point. The second thing is that to how to pressure it. So we just use your thumb, and you can also use this kind of probe. I'll add the links, whatever tools I'm using, in my description box or as well as in pin comment. So using this Jimmy over here, I need to rotate it and give a pressure. Once you are giving a pressure, many people are saying they do feel pain right here, because these are the correspondence point of your eyes. So whenever you are giving a pressure on the correspondence point, you do feel a pressure, because if you have any kind of problem in that organ or in the attached organ, you do feel a pain on these points. And the healthy people can also do this therapy, because if they do that, they will never ever have any kind of eye difficulty and eye problem. So we need to give a pressure, we can stimulate it, and we have this kind of roller which will make my work easy. We can just roll it right here in both the hands like this, and it will be so effective. You have to give these pressure at least 3 to 4 times a day. If you have a chronic problem from a long time, like 3 to 4 years, and it will not going away, so you have to give every hour. You can also give a pressure. There is no rule in acupressure, but you have to just small thing you just need to make on your mind, that once you don't do any acupressure treatment empty stomach. Once you have some food, then you can give a treatment. After half an hour of dinner or lunch or breakfast, you are good to go for the giving a pressure. Just give a pressure on these points like here and here, and after this point you need to press at the middle right here. This is our kidney point. This is our kidney point right here. So how we'll give a pressure right here, or I can use my probe right this. You just need to give a pressure like this, like this, like this. So we need, this is also bilateral in both our hands. So it's just at the center of the point. You still have feeling some of the pain, that's but natural, because you are facing some kind of eye problem, so it's natural. Why we need to press this kidney point? Because many people asking, yes, I already did this video in my Hindi channel, because whenever we have an eye issue, so our kidney is the organ which supply the chi to our eyes. In our acupuncture therapy, we used to believe on this, that our kidney is actually organ, very vital organ of our body, which supply the blood flow in our eyes. So during pressing the eye correspondence point, we need to press the kidney point also, so that if any kind of difficulty by the kidney which is not giving enough blood flow to your eyes, so we need to give this thing also, which by this pressing the eye blood circulation will improve, and any kind of abandoned blood flow which not coming to the eyes, that's why. So this pressure point also release that problem also. So we need to press these. Now the second thing is that sometimes our optic nerves are also responsible for our eye diseases and eye problems. So we have to give a pressure in our optic nerve point. So the optic nerve is in our both two fingers. In the middle of there is the optic nerve acupressure points in our hand. Right here, I'm just making it in this mark. Okay, so this is also bilateral in both of your hands. So how you will do a pressure? It's easy by this ruler, because the pressing like this, it's hard. So what we will do, by this ruler, we'll just give a pressure like this. It's very easy. You are watching TV, anything, anytime you can give. If you are doing it 3 to 4 times, you will get a quicker results. Just give a pressure like this at the top, bottom, then bottom to the top, both the hands like this. See that? Now, if you have a very chronic problem from the long time, from 2 to 3 years, so this is the machine I'm using. This is the vibrator to actually stimulate the point deeper, just like we do acupuncture by the needle. You can't put a needle by yourself, and it's very costly if you're going every day to the any acupuncturist. So just buy one time this kind of machine. I'll add a link in the description. What you need to do, just turn on this machine. I turn it on, and then sensation will be on number 2. I set it. Now when I press the button, this is on. You can see the green light is turned on. So you will feel a little vibration when you are doing that, but it's actually deeper pressure by this machine. You won't feel it, but it actually healing the point, stimulate the point better than the hand and any prop. So what we'll need to do, I just need to apply this right here for at least 4 to 5 seconds. First on the kidney point, then the eye point. You can see I'm doing that. And then I can apply right here. You won't feel anything, but it's doing its job, because I put a very mild sensation on number 2. That's why you feel nothing, but that's better, because if you put the sensation high, you can't bear it. It will be really hard, vibration on your hand. You can increase a little bit as per your bearing power. So the way I am giving the treatment, you will get really better results. And we have to do it in our both the hands like this, kidney points, then eye points. At least 5 minutes you can do this acu massage by this machine, and your the speed of the treatment will be increased. Like this. Now I turn it off, and at the night time you can also use at the night time you can also use this kind of magnet. I can also add a link, because this magnet also increase the blood circulation of your eyes. I'm using this right here on this point right here. Both of the hands you can apply this magnet like this, and also applying this on this hand. So now this magnet is applied, and you just leave these magnet at least 7 to 8 hours. Better to apply at the night time and remove in the morning. And in few, if you have a just started acute problem, like just like for a month or so you have facing some problem, you just use this treatment for 3 months. But if you have a chronic problem, you can do it little longer, because acupressure is completely no side effect, completely harmless therapy. It's a touch therapy, so there is no side effects. You can feel anything, and it's 100% benefit. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to like it, share with the friends and family and social media. If you have any question, do drop it on the comment box. I'll surely reply. Stay tuned, stay healthy, take care guys.